and full bar. What? And a pet-friendly patio. Mmm. My kind of place. Oh, I see Cholula. We're okay. All right, let's find out. This has been said that it's the best chicken fried steak, so we're about to find out. Well, I'm here to do a test on the chicken fried steak, but they've got something on the menu that I am going to have to come back and try. A jambalaya omelet. All right, it has arrived. It looks pretty darn good. Let's go for it. Oh, I see lots of sausage in the gravy. I do like that. Hash browns look crisp. Eggs done right. Toast, not burned. Buttered. Oh, lovely, lovely buttered. All right, let's do this. Pretty darn good. It's really good. It's smaller. It's a smaller portion than I've had at other places, but the taste is really good. I love the breading. Very close to Texas. I'm working on it. I don't think I liked it. That's called being facetious. Look at that plate. I'm about to wipe it up with the rest of that bread. Yeah, I think I'm done. Oh, wait. I left something. Well, that chicken fried steak, hash browns, lovely hash browns, eggs cooked perfectly, toast buttered so properly. It was so good, I came home and fell asleep. So I'm now going to wrap up this video with the comparison because I really did enjoy the chicken fried steak at Sweet Basil Cafe. The proportion was smaller than Doug's Diner, obviously. I did like the size better at Doug's Diner for the price because I actually got 2 meals out of that. But the chicken fried steak at Sweet Basil was really good, really good. I loved the coating, the crust on the steak, and it had a really good flavor to it. Also, the sausage gravy at Sweet Basil had more sausage, bigger chunks of sausage in it. So I really liked the sausage gravy. So this is really a toss-up here because there's things I liked about both, and the proportion at Doug's Diner is much better for the money. But I think for the taste, I don't know. I really liked the Sweet Basil, but I liked them both. So I'm going to say, I'm going to go with close to a tie on this because it's going to just depend on what you want. Portion-wise, size-wise, price-wise, do you want something to eat later? Then that's Doug's. If you want just a really good chicken fried steak and an amazing sausage gravy. Now, Doug's Diner, if you see this, because I know you saw my other video because you tagged me and shared it, but I might put a little extra sausage in your sausage gravy, and you might just come out number one. But right now, I'm going to go really close. But I would definitely go back to Sweet Basil, not only for the chicken fried steak, but the rest of the menu and the ambiance of the place was really nice. I really liked the restaurant itself. Waitstaff was nice. Kept checking on me, see if I needed anything. That's always important, instead of just, here's your plate, and come back later and drop a ticket. So this was a constant, need any water, would you like some more coffee, need anything else? That the service was really good. So, it's up to you. Depends on what you want. Some of you guys, go try it. Go try Sweet Basil Cafe and Doug's Diner. I would love to know your choice between these two. All right? All right, till next time, or till somebody else gives me another chicken fried steak place I gotta test. I'll see you later.